Hey guys, it's Steffi D here with another Dollar Tree DIY. This project is so easy, it only requires two things, rope and hot glue, and we're gonna be making these adorable rope bowls. Oh my god, I can't believe that you can make these with stuff from the Dollar Tree and it only takes a couple minutes and a couple dollars. I am so excited to make these. If you want to see more Steffi D Creates videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button so you can see all new videos as they come out. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffidcreates.com, and links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below. I can't wait to show you how easy this is to make, and they are adorable and they spruce up your kitchen. Oh my god. Okay, let's get started. Come craft with me, Steffi D. Here's what you're going to need. Some rope, I suggest about 30 feet. A hot glue gun, a ceramic or glass bowl, and a piece of cardboard to work over to catch your glue gun drippings. We're gonna start by making the base of the rope bowl, and we're going to glue the ends of your rope to make sure that it doesn't fray, so put a little bit of hot glue just at the end to hold the end of your rope together. To make the base of the bowl, we're going to curl the rope around itself as tight as possible. So as you curl around, you want to add a little bit of glue, so we start on the inside and tightly curl the rope around, just like that. Now I'm gonna lay it flat, put a little bit of glue around the rope and curl it around just a little bit at a time to make sure that you're able to hold it together until it dries. Make sure that you're putting the glue in the middle of the rope so it's not gonna seep out the top or the bottom. Keep curling your rope around until you get it the size of the base for your rope bowl that you want. Now, how do we know how big we want it? I'm gonna use this bowl as my example. My rope bowl won't be as big, but I like the size of the base. So we're gonna keep measuring it out until we get a nice size like that. Be careful as you're using your hot glue gun and pushing the rope together not to glue yourself. It's really hot, so it's gonna hurt, so just use caution. When you get the bottom of your bowl about the size that you want, and we're gonna place it on here, and that's about the right size, we're going to place it on top of the bowl and start working our way down the bowl. So carefully hold the base, and we're gonna put hot glue in the middle of the rope and start working our way down our bowl. The ceramic bowl will give it shape. You know, farmhouse style is really in right now, and this is such an easy hack for an inexpensive farmhouse look for your kitchen. Keep working your way around the bowl, layer by layer. When you get to a certain point, you should have enough rope on here that you're able to flip your bowl over and work from the top down. The reason we use a glass or ceramic bowl for this is because it's not porous, so the hot glue won't stick to it as much and it won't melt it. So you want to make sure that you are definitely not using a plastic bowl for this. If you get to the end of your rope but you are not done with your bowl, that's okay. Do what we did in the beginning, put a little bit of hot glue on the end to keep your strands together and glue until you get to the end of your rope. Then just start with your new one where you left off. And if you start with your new one, don't forget to put hot glue on the end of that as well, and then glue that right where the first one ended. Just a heads up that this project does require a lot of hot glue, so make sure that you have plenty on hand for this project. When you get to the end, don't forget to add a little bit of glue at the end, keep all your strands together, and glue your end on there. I think 2 sets of rope from the Dollar Tree make a great size bowl, so that's where I'm stopping at 2, but you can continue on doing different sizes, different styles. It's totally up to you. Once your hot glue has completely cooled, we're going to remove our rope bowl. It's going to be a little stuck to your bowl, and that's okay. Just carefully pop it off of there and then just pull it off. Isn't that cool? And now you have your own farmhouse style rope bowl that only took a couple minutes and a couple dollars to make. Enjoy! I hope you guys enjoyed today's video learning how to make these super simple rope bowls that look so elegant. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button so you can see more Steffi D Creates videos. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffidcreates.com. Follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest to see behind the scenes information and upcoming projects. Links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below. Keep sending me pictures of everything that you're making. I would love to see what you make with these and what you fill them with. Use the hashtag SteffiDCreates so I can see them. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.